This is Retro from Retro Bassin, but you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I'm out here tonight to fish with one of my favorite summer lures, a baby brush hog. Let's get it rigged up on a Texas rig and see if we can catch any bass tonight. Here's what we're using. Baby brush hog in green pumpkin magic. This was sent to the show within the last few weeks, but honestly, all the baits spilled out into the back of my car. I don't remember who sent this one, but we're gonna try it anyway. So if you sent the Zoom, this video is because of you. This is it right here. Let's get it rigged up. I'm fishing this on a 2/0 worm hook with an 1/8 ounce worm weight. I would call this a finesse Texas rig. That's it right there. Let's see what it can do. Last time I was here, I focused on that side of the lake. We're gonna go back this way once again and fish the point. We'll start right here and work our way down. Fishing with the $30 baitcaster, once again, to prove you don't need to spend a bunch of money to catch fish, especially bass. I've caught dozens. Still in working order, still out here fishing. I'm just casting it out, letting it hit the bottom, and dragging it toward me 3 or 4 feet at a time, pausing, dragging it toward me. If I don't get a bite, I might add a couple of twitches. There's a fish. Oh, I had a bite. He wasn't there when I set the hook. I saw the line jump. Did you see it? It's getting kind of dark, so it might be hard. Since I think I had a bite, we're going to cast it back out there and try it again. Most of the fish I've been catching this summer are in the 1/4 pound to 1.5 pound range, but every once in a while I get a nice one. I'm more interested in trying out baits to see what kind of bites I can get than I am in how big the fish I'm catching are. You know, I'd rather catch 3 1-pounders than 1 3-pounder.
Hello, I'm Larry Cooter, part of the Tennessee Assault Crew, where we break necks and cash checks. But you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
This is a tricky spot right here, but I'm gonna try it. Fish. All right. First fish of the night right here. I can see a kid over there on the dock. Anyway, here's my first fish. It's got a gash right here that has healed. This fish is about 3/4 pound. Got him on that green pumpkin magic baby brush hog. Baby brush hog, baby brush hog, baby brush hog. You gotta say it 3 times. Let's get my bait fixed up and get back to fishing. That's what I got him on right there. As you can see, the point is underwater. This is what it usually looks like. I was walking out almost to those bushes out there 2 weeks ago, but it's rained. The lake filled back up. Hopefully we can find a fish over here. Ooh, that might have been a bite. If that was a fish, it'd be hard to get him out of there. We're gonna cast it back down there though and find out.
This is Devin Patchalik. You're watching Realistic Fishing. As always, keep it realistic.
Oh man, I'm over that bush. I think I'm out of the way just a bit. All right, I'm not in the bush. Fish. All right, got him right near that bush. Wow. Yeah, there we go. Fish number 2. Yeah, check it out. This one's a little bit smaller than that last one. Somewhere between a ½ pound and 3/4 of a pound. Once again, got him on that baby brush hog. Green pumpkin magic. I'm pretty sure it's green pumpkin magic. We'll check the package after this fish. Yeah, let's let him go. Gonna give him a toss. This is really shallow right here. Yep, green pumpkin magic. So we are gonna change the color. We're going with black emerald now. We'll see if a darker baby brush hog will get more bites, or if the color doesn't even seem to matter. Fishing at the point, round 2, this time black and emerald baby brush hog. Can we get another one over here without getting snagged? Fish. All right, not very big, but we're gonna get them in. Nice, fish number 3. Here we are, we got a 1/4 pounder this time. Yeah, nice little bass here. Went for the black and emerald baby brush hog. Baby brush hog, baby brush hog. You gotta say it 3 times. That's how the magic happens. That makes 3 fish total tonight on the baby brush hog. Still got my lure. Let's keep fishing.
Hello, this is John in the UK. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
That just about does it for tonight. I got 3 largemouth bass tonight. Nothing huge, but I'm glad I'm catching something, and that's why I love the baby brush hog. I got 2 on the green pumpkin, 1 on the black and emerald, and on a hot August night, that's fine with me. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.